Growing your email list. Growing an engaged email list is one of the most important parts of creating a successful email marketing strategy. And for a lot of businesses and organizations, it's also one of the most challenging. You know you have something valuable to offer current and potential customers, but how do you get people to sign up? Luckily, there are several tools you can use to grow your email list. One of the most important elements for driving opt-ins on your website is strategically placed opt-in forms, or just a fancy word for those email sign boxes you see on almost every site. Popular email marketing software solutions will have handy opt-in form generators that will provide you with a snippet of code that you can just paste into various places around your site. While it may sound excessive to add multiple opt-in forms to your website, it's not. Each visit will have a different behavior when visiting your website. They may look at the content on a blog post, your about page, your navigation menu, or your sidebar. Hence, you need to make sure that any one spot they look at has a conversion point for your mailing list. EOP is informed, so where should you place an opt-in? Here are good places to consider: your header or navigation bar. Your opt-in form can be as simple as an email field that uses the filler text as a call to action. Your sidebar. You can also place an opt-in form in their sidebar with a sentence to sell you a free incentive or what have you meaningless has to offer. Your about page. After telling visitors about your business and the benefits of your products, you might have created enough interest to entice them to connect and learn more by subscribing. This can be just an email field or a name and address field with a few sentences about why people should subscribe. Inside your blog posts. If people make it to the end of your blog post, chances are they enjoy your content and are ready to take action. Having a strategically placed form here gives them a clear path as to what to do next. Your website. FOTAR. Let's say your visitor bypasses all of the above fields. If they do make it to your website further, they're still interested. Capture them as subscribers. It's one way to use this often ignored space on your website. Your checkout page. One of the best ways to build your list is to simply make sales. Most email marketing services can be integrated with your store, either using a built-in integration or through a third-party app that will allow you to add customers to your email list after they make a purchase. Pop-up form. As controversial as pop-up forms, when they're done right, they work. The best way to drive options is to put the opt-in phone in front of every visitor. If you have something of value to give away, you have every right to show it to every new visitor. Offline opt-ins. Also, if you are in a physical store, don't forget about offline opportunities to build your list. Email service providers provide apps that allow you to capture subscribers in person. One such app is Chimping for MailChimp, which lets subscribers enter their email addresses on your iPad or Android tablet even if you are offline. It will collect the email addresses and import them into your MailChimp account the next time you online. Growing your email list will be slow in the beginning. That's why it's important to incorporate lead magnets into your strategy to incentivize opt-ins and accelerate your list building efforts.